What is up, guys? Jeremy here, and welcome back to another video. So I wanted to show you guys a couple of tricks on how to get out of, potential problems on your device. Maybe a boot loop, maybe your device seems frozen, maybe apps keep crashing, maybe you're just having some weird issues. So I wanted to show you guys a couple of tricks to hopefully fix your device. Now, I've covered this in the past, or I've done videos like this in the past. I did one recently of my device being stuck in a boot loop and how to get out of that. So if you guys are specifically stuck in a boot loop, you could check that video out. It might help you out. I'm basically going to cover the same things in this video as I did that, plus a little bit more. So if you guys are having issues with your device, the first thing I always attempt on any of my devices, and I've had iPhones for years now, the first thing I always try to do to fix it is a hard reset on that device. Now, a hard reset is basically a reboot. It forces a reboot on your iOS device. Now, it is going to vary from device to device. The XS Max here has a different button combo than the 7 Plus does. And the iPhone 6S or 6S Plus is different from the iPhone 7. So it really depends on which iPhone you have on how you're going to do this process. So what I'll do is I'll leave all of the different processes for all the different devices written down in the description so you guys can see how to properly restart your device specifically. So keep in mind, they're all different. So for the XS Max here, I'll demo it for you guys. It's really quite simple and straightforward. You basically just click the volume up, then you click the volume down, and then you click and hold the side button until the screen goes black and until you see the Apple logo. That's how you know you've done a proper hard reset on the device. So I'll go ahead and do that now. Like I said, volume up, volume down, side button, click and hold it, and keep on holding it until the screen goes black. I'll just give it a minute here. So there, the screen is black, and keep holding that button until you see the Apple logo. And then release the button. Just like that. That's how you do a hard reset on the XS Max. I believe that's the same for iPhone 8, 8 Plus, iPhone 10, iPhone XS, XS Max, and XR. So that's how you're going to do a hard reset for all of those devices. Any older devices is a different button combo, and it's listed down in the description. So like I said, that's the first trick I try whenever I'm having weird issues with my device, like a boot loop, or it seems frozen, or apps aren't working, or you're just having some sort of weird problem. Even if your battery seems to be getting really bad battery life, sometimes just doing a hard reset can help it out. So that's the first thing I do. Now the second thing you guys can do is kind of the end-all be-all option, and that is putting your device into DFU mode and restoring it with iTunes. Like I said, this is end-all be-all because it's going to wipe your phone clean and reinstall iOS onto it. So before you do this, keep in mind, if you have not made a backup of your device on iCloud or on iTunes, you will lose everything on your device. You will lose your messages, you will lose your photos, you will lose any game that you might be playing, whatever state of that game you're at. Let's say you've been playing a game for a really long time and you're incredibly far in it. If you don't have a backup of it, unfortunately, you're going to lose all of that progress. Basically everything. You'll lose it all. That's why you do backups. And if you haven't been doing them, this is probably going to be a hard learning experience to always do backups of your device, just to be safe in case something weird does happen to your device. Now, back to the DFU mode trick. Basically, every device, again, just like the hard reset, is going to be different to get into DFU mode. It's a little bit trickier with the button combos. I'm not actually going to demo it on video here, just because I don't want to put my device into DFU mode. But I will leave the written form for every device for DFU mode down in the description as well. So along with the hard reset, the DFU mode button combos will all be listed down there as well, and I'll have it for every device specifically. So depending on what device you have, it will show you how to do that in the description. And that's going to be pretty much it for this video, guys. Those are the two things you can do that I know of on how to fix your device. The first one is just a real quick and easy button combo, and it can fix a lot of things. The second part is, like I said, end all be all. Only do it if you absolutely have to. and it will fully restore iOS onto your iOS device. But anyways, like I said, I hope you guys found this video useful. If you did, definitely throw me a thumbs up. That really helps me out a lot here at the channel. And if you guys want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to click that subscribe button. This has been Jeremy, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Later.